Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox unboxing for May. And I thought the box this month was like a Mother's Day theme. Yeah, it's not. It's about female founders. So it has a card on the inside and all that good stuff. Proud to celebrate and empower female founded brands. So that's kind of what this box is about. Here's my list of products. Looks like female founded is the Perlice tinted BB cream. So let's take a look. On top we have a coupon code just for subscribers with a 70 just for subscribers with any $35 purchase you get one of these. So I have one of these. I think it's supposed to be, yeah, for your circulation puffiness, but I actually use mine for if I have migraines, headaches, or I don't feel good, because when I'm sick my body gets really warm. So I roll that on my forehead and it is so cold and it helps tremendously. So I do recommend that. So the first thing I have is a water lip stain by Clarins. I typically don't like stains, but it looks really cool. Yeah, I'm just too pale. I know some people that are pale look good with like that blood red or dark red color. Not me. I look crazy with it. So I'll probably give that to a friend. Next up we have a perfume sample. Give that a whiff. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Then there's a sticker in here. Stronger Together. Then we have Peptidin. Probably butchered that. It's by Dr. Jart. It's a serum. Dr. Jart has some pretty good stuff, so I will give that a try. Also have Beauty Protector, Protect and Detangle. I have got this a bunch of times, a lot of products from Beauty Protector. Looks like they changed up their packaging, so I didn't recognize it at first, but they also have some really awesome products. Next up, Essential Scrub by Comfort Zone. And the last item in my box, this is the female founded product by Perlice, Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. I like that. So on my no makeup days, I put on something light like this when I go outside in the summer, just so I have some protection. But very cool. Pretty decent box. I know I'll definitely use these, probably that and that, but not so much this. And I will use that, so not so bad. I'll go ahead and show you the card. Gives you all the full size retail values for the items. So if you guys are interested, if you're not already subscribed to Birchbox, I'll have all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.